Hey guys, welcome to Yardabella TV. This is the wifey and today we're making a delicious cornbread casserole. These are the ingredients. We have 2 eggs that we're adding to a bowl and I'm going to just quickly whisk that together. And I'm adding 8 ounces of sour cream to that, 1 can of cream style corn, 1 can of whole sweet corn, and of course, we have 1 stick of melted butter and 1 pack of Jiffy cornbread mix. A tip of salt, maybe a half a teaspoon, and we just whisk all of that together. For a little bit of flavoring, I'm adding some vanilla extract and we're pouring it in our dish. Baking for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees and voila! It turned out delicious. Thank you guys for watching Yardie Belly TV and be sure to stay tuned for more videos to come.